Hi guys, I'm Pooja, the principal architect of Our Lake Art and Architecture. I'm also the video producer at Home Banao. Today I'm going to take you through 35 designer headboards. So headboards are the main elements in your bedroom that give a highlight to your bedroom, that give all the vibes to the design of your bedroom. And today I'm going to talk to you about headboards in three different categories. I'll take you through that. But before that, I would like to just give you a quick definition of headboard. So, what is a headboard? Headboard is basically a supporting element behind your pillow. It protects your pillow from falling down or moving backwards in the gaps, and it also acts as an aesthetical element. Above all, it gives you the luxury of having back support when you're on the bed. It's basically a panel which is behind your head to rest your head or your pillows. So now that we're done with what a headboard is, let's get into three categories of the best headboards. Now, the three categories that we have is best budget headboards, best overall headboards, and best luxury headboards. So I'm going to take you through quick budget options if you are not very high on spending for the headboards, and if you are in temporary homes, then obviously you wouldn't want to lavishly spend on this element, but still you would definitely love to have it pleasing and pleasant looking. So our best budget options are here. The first one being a world map headboard. Now this is basically a wallpaper. How you can go about achieving this is you need to select a world map wallpaper. This is basically available in paper or PVC material, and this wallpaper needs to be pasted over the wall. So you have people who will supply you the wallpaper will also get into the installation at extra charges. So you can go ahead with this option. This will hardly cost you about 150 per square feet, including installation, and the thickness is, of course, it's very thin, the paper size or the PVC size. So you don't have to spend a bulk of 3-4 inches from your bedroom space for this element. Our next budget option is our embossed felt headboard. So this is basically made of felt material. Felt is basically the one used in bags, etc. Just to add an extra dimension to this material, it's been embossed under high pressure. So because it's embossed, it gives you a very sturdy looking pattern, and it still counts like a wooden headboard, but this is very low on cost. You can get this done in as much as 300 rupees per square feet, and this will still look very sturdy and elegant. Our next budget option is jute headboard. So here basically you will just need a framing upon which you can have your jute sheets installed, your jute fabric installed. Now jute fabrics come in various colors, so you can decide on which color of the jute fabric you would like to use. Based on the room design and the color combination. You can just have a small wooden framing. This can be done by any carpenter, and over that you can nail the fabric. This is as good as making your own canvas. Basically, when you would make your own canvas, you would need a small framing on which you would nail the canvas tightly. Same way, here you have a framing on the wall and you need to nail your jute fabric tightly. So this counts for a more eco-friendly headboard, and it's under your budget. This is definitely a go-to option if you do not have a lot of budget and if you still want something very simple and elegant looking. Our next budget option is the wooden strip headboard. This is basically if you already have construction or interior design work going on at your house. What you can do is you can collect random wood strips from the waste. In case you do not have any work happening at your house, Then you can also go to nearby sites where work is happening. You can collect some wooden scraps, or you can collect it from any carpenter. They'll be willingly giving it to you. So you can just take those wood strips, color them, paint them with whatever colors, fusion of different colors. Like here there's a blue, white, grey, brown palette used. So you can color them, get a carpenter to assemble all of these for you. And once it's assembled, it will be a baseboard, which is a very thin sheet of plywood or MDF, which can be used as the base. On that you assemble these, and then you just fix it behind your bed. So this is going to be economical because your wood strips have come free. Painting, there's no big headache. Like, you just have to take a choice of colors and paint them, and you are good to go. You'll definitely need a carpenter to assemble and install this. So this can cost you anywhere between 500 and 800 per square feet. Rare case scenario, this is the high-end budget that I have given in case you've not been able to find these wooden logs. So our next budget option is tapestry headboard. So this is basically a fabric piece. You can choose any good quality fabric which is printed with a good pattern, which can suit your ambience of the bedroom, and you can use that as a wall installation. So this, you can just have a curtain kind of provision to hang the cloth, or you can also have a framing and have the cloth nailed over it tightly. This can cost you anywhere between 500 to 2500 per fabric sheet. So it depends on the kind of material you choose from the place you'll be buying, the kind of prints that you are going for. So this can range anywhere between 500 to 2500 and above in case you're going for very high-end fabric textures. So our next option is our sustainable headboard. Now this is going to be a zero budget option in case you have taken care of it in the architecture stage itself. So while you have constructed your house, if naturally this wall is being built with your clay bricks, then you do not have to add an additional cost in making this as your backdrop or headboard. But in case this hasn't been done and you have a plain wall, but you still want to get this eco-friendly feeling into your house or some earthy colors into your bedroom, then what you can do is, over the wall you can get clay tiles installed. They come in about 10 mm thickness, and you can get those installed all over to create a beautiful earthy looking pattern for you. So our next eco-friendly option is the wooden rafter headboard. So this is basically again similar to our strip headboard, where we had taken wooden logs, waste wooden logs, assembled them and created patterns. Here also you'll be taking waste wooden logs, but here your challenge is you'll have to uniformly get them cut and finished. So have uniform size or thickness of your rafters and install them in any kind of pattern. You can have either continuous verticals, continuous horizontals, or you can have a staggering pattern that goes all the way to the ceiling. So this kind of a headboard will be a great option to have very simple looking interiors and to make your room feel bigger. So how you'll make your room feel bigger is, say you have a more longer room, then you can have these rafters placed horizontally like this and make your room look elongated or more broad. In case you have a very broad room and you want to get down the scale, then you can use these verticals to bring down the broad or wholesome view of the room. So our next category of budget headboard is our cement board engraved headboard. So this is a very common option these days, where you cannot give natural concrete finish. You can definitely go for your cement board option, which is very close looking to the exposed concrete finish. So you can install these cement boards just as it is to get your concrete finish, or you can have some engravings or some motifs or inscriptions on it using laser cutting technology, and this can then be used as the backdrop for your headboards. So this will cost you anywhere between 800 rupees per square feet to 1000 rupees per square feet depending on what you plan to do, and you can have a thickness about 16 to 20 mm. So let's move on to our next category, which is our best overall headboard. So how the previous category was best budget headboards, where I had given you low cost options for temporary homes, but now I'm going to give you more budget options also, but where you can have quality, you can ensure quality, you can ensure design, you can ensure aesthetics. So this is our overall category, where these headboards are neither going to cost you a bomb, nor are they going to be ugly looking, nor are they going to be of cheap quality. So let's get moving into this. Our first headboard here is the perforated headboard. So you basically have punchers in the MDF panel or a steel panel for this. How you can do this is you can use CNC cutting machine. Now this cutting technology is readily available in the market, so you can go to any of the machinery industry where they will be doing laser cutting, and you can ask them to laser cut these patterns as per your preferences. You can create whatever patterns you want and then get the sheet installed. The only limitation here will be that you have a limited sheet size, so you will have to make the patterns accordingly. This can come between your 20 to 25 mm thickness, and it'll cost you anywhere between 1000 to 1200 per square feet. This is a very fast picking process that we have seen, and most of them are using this option where they do not have very high budgets, but they definitely have achieved good quality headboards. So our next overall headboard is the marble tile headboard. Now say you have constructed your house, you will have some additional marble or tile left. You can use that to make your headboards, where either you can have marble with some embossing or engraving or inlay work, or you can just have a simple back panel, a simple ply, where you have pasted a lot of tile patterns differently to give it a beautiful headboard look. So this can be done with water jet cutting, where in case you have marble and you want to have some engraving, you can use water jet cutting to engrave that, or if you want to cut tiles differently, you can use this water jet cutting technology. These tiles and marbles will be anywhere between 10 to 25 mm thickness, and they will cost anywhere between 500 to 2500 if you're buying them readily per square feet. Otherwise, if you already have the material available on your site, you can just pay for the labor and get this done at a very minimum cost. So our next headboard is the embossed MDF headboard. So this is basically MDF sheet which is embossed using CNC routing technology, where you can create beautiful patterns using the technology, and then you can have a paint coat or a PU coat over it to give it a beautiful effect based on your room color choices. So this can cost you anywhere between 500 to 2500 per square feet, and you can have a thickness of 20 to 25 mm for this. Our next headboard is the 3D headboard panel. So this is basically 3D designs created using CNC routing technology. You can have any kind of pattern created which is repetitive but still looks like one full element. So you have multiple sheets here which have been put together to make it look like one single entity. This is also made with MDF or PVC. You get readily available PVC sheets also in 3D patterns, or you can, if you want to customize, you can go for MDF, where you give the 3D design and it'll be CNC routed accordingly. So this can cost you anywhere between 1300 per square feet for the machining work, and then you have an additional cost for the paint over it, for the finish over it. So our next example is the staggered chevron headboard. So chevron is basically a staggered pattern which is used in wooden flooring. It's a zigzag pattern. We can also use the same pattern or the same take inspiration from that pattern to create our headboards, where you can have a combination of grooves and colors to create the headboard. Like here, the chevron pattern has been repeated in a staggered manner with some grooves, and to highlight this entire thing there has just been two small pentagons cut and placed. So our next option is the metal inlay headboard. For our metal inlay headboard, what we need to do is So our next option is the metal inlay headboard. So this is basically a combination of fabric with metal inlay in intervals. So you can choose a pattern that you like. You can try to create a pattern that you like along with fabric, and on equal intervals you can either have metal inlay, or you can have a staggered metal inlay pattern created within the fabric. This can also be done over ply instead of fabric. So this can be done using your laser cut technology, where you will get your metal inlays cut in through the laser cutting process. Then you can have the base as your MDF or plywood, where you'll have all the fabric and the inlay work assembled. This can be anywhere between 1.5 to 3 inches thickness for your headboard, and it can cost 2500 per square feet. So our next option is the mirror headboard. Now this is similar to our previous option. Instead of the laser cut metal inlay, here we have mirrors which will create the pattern. So you can create any kind of pattern using mirror and fabric combination or mirror and wood combination. This can be done using laser cutting technology, or it can be handmade, handcrafted, and it can be about 1.5 to 3 inches in thickness, and this can cost you about 3000 per square feet. Our next option is the exposed concrete headboard. Here you will try to create a exposed concrete finish on the headboard alone with some inlay work, just to highlight a pattern or just to give it a more soothing look, or you can just have the exposed concrete as it is without giving any inlay work. So this can be done during the construction stage itself, where you do not have to add any additional paneling for the bed. So this will be using your construction technology process itself, and this will be your plastering majorly, and it can cost about 1200 per square feet. Our next option is the stainless steel headboard. Now this is also going to be done using laser cutting technology. You can choose any pattern that has to go behind your headboard as your headboard, and you can get that laser cut on a stainless steel sheet. Stainless steel sheets come in various finishes these days. You can have mirror finish, you can have gold finish, you can have copper finish, and these sheets come in about 2 to 8 inches thicknesses. I recommend 2 to 4 inches for this particular usage, and yeah, you're good to go. You can get a great pattern and a great looking elegant headboard design using this method. So our next example is our acrylic headboard. This is again done using laser cutting technology, but the material is acrylic here. You can create different patterns and illuminate these patterns using backlighting technology. So this happens only with acrylic because acrylic passes light. And you can use 4 to 8 mm sheet for the cutting and lighting, backlighting, and this will cost about 500 per square feet without backlighting. With backlighting, it will be some additional cost. The next one is our herringbone headboard. So This herringbone pattern is basically used in flooring and it's very popular these days. Now, a lot of designers have started using this for doors, for headboards, and this pattern gives a very appealing look. The pattern itself is so vibrant to look at, so even if you have a dull colored background or a material, this will still look very beautiful in your space. So here you just need wooden batons or a carpenter who can fix wooden batons in the herringbone pattern, or you can get readily available flooring material which is already arranged in a herringbone pattern, and you can just have them assembled by a carpenter. This can cost you about 12,000 for the entire piece for a similar size. Our next option is the vineyard laminated headboard. So these headboards are basically just plywood on which you choose a good veneer or a good laminate print. So here you can go for veneers with matte polish, or you can also choose a glossy polish to make it look more vibrant for you. In case you have a very subtle design, then you can go for a matte polish. So this a carpenter can easily do it, and it's very much in your budget because this is a very common process and it will not cost a lot. But just that the choice of veneer or laminate that you choose will be very critical here. And this can be done in about 1.5 inches thickness, where you'll have a 3/4 mm ply, and 3/4 inch ply, and about 10 mm laminate or 15 mm veneer sheet. This can cost you anywhere between 700 per square feet to 1000 per square feet. So our next option is the plaster of Paris headboard. Now basically this is a fusion of your laminate ply and plaster of Paris, where plaster of Paris motifs have been created using molds, and this has been accompanied with vertical laminated sheets just to give it a break, just to reduce the monotony. This comes in a thickness of about 10 mm, and the cost per running feet here is 50 rupees. The next example is the Versailles headboard, where you can Versailles is again another pattern of wooden flooring, where you have squares arranged in diagonals to give it a very wholesome pattern, and this same arrangement can be used against your ply or wall for your headboard. So this a carpenter can easily do for you. If you already have a wall, you can just have a laminate sheet installed, and then you can have these boards going on it in a given pattern. This can cost anywhere between 1000 to 1200 per square feet. Next example is the tufted headboard. Now this is a very commonly used headboard. It's economical, it doesn't cost a lot, and it looks very contemporary in its design. So here you do not have any exposed wood seen. Here basically your wooden areas have been covered with fabric and foam inside. So you have foam which has been merged with your fabric, and this has been weaved, this has been stitched to give you different patterns. So this is one of the patterns. You have a lot of other options in tufted headboards. Now this costs about 600 per square feet, and you can have the tufted board for about 4 to 6 inches thickness. And the only negative thing that I see about this headboard is that in case you have any pest issues at your house, then the pests can go and collect into the stitches of these headboards. So that's the only thing you'll have to take care. But otherwise this is your go-to choice, of course, because it's very economical and it's very contemporary looking. So our next option is the upholstered headboard. Similar to the previous example, Here you do not see any exposed wood, and all of your plywood is covered with fabric, felt and foam together. So this is just a variation in the pattern, but here the stitching is not that intricate, and you just have more vertically arranged patterns here. So this will cost about 800 per square feet, and you can also use velvet or satin fabrics for your headboards here. So our next category is the best luxury headboards. So how do you create best luxury headboard? So our first is the artistic headboard. So if you have a plain wall behind, you can just get a very beautiful artistic element. You can introduce that element to make it look more pleasing and appealing. So this particular element is created using MDF, which is CNC cut to this shape, to a lotus shape, and then you have layers of it arranged, and different paint colors or different paint textures used to give it a more dramatic feel. So this can cost anywhere between 2,500 and above based on the artwork you choose, whether you choose MDF artwork, whether you choose a different copper artwork or anything for that matter. So it's very subjective to what you end up choosing and what you want to make. So our next example is the Royal Emboss headboard. This is the most royal looking bed and the headboard you can ever have. So here you have a big huge circle which is embossed and engraved in such a way that the patterns itself give it a very royal look. Apart from that, the color, the finish, the golden finish that is given, it adds to the beauty of this room. So this is majorly used in your hotels or your palaces where guests need to get that royal feeling when they enter their rooms. So if your designing is something which goes with the royal line, then please go for this option, but this is quite an expensive option. It can start from 20,000 and go up to lakhs based on the design and the intricacies that will go into making it. This can be machine cut, this can also be handcrafted, but the beauty of the handcrafted embellishment or the circle will be much appealing than your machine cut. So our next headboard is the mandala headboard. Basically this goes with all the boho themes that have been created for bedrooms. Here intricate mandalas have been carved in wood, and then you have white coating which are accompanied with boho chic colors like pastel blues, pastel pinks. Now this can cost about 2,200 per square feet, and it'll be about 1.5 inches or 2 inches in thickness, and this can be handmade, it can also be machine made. So our next luxury option is the metal art headboard, where you have a simple paneling used behind, and over it you just have metal motifs, metal art that has been created. So this can cost us anywhere between 1,800 per element, and the material can be any kind of metal, which is steel or steel coated with golden color, or you can have copper, brass, any material, and any choice of color coating is available in the market. So our next luxury option is the vintage headboard. Similar to our royal headboard, this is more of a vintage headboard and rare to get. You need really skilled labor to carve this out for you, and this is going to cost you a lot because it will be made with high-end teak wood or antique wood. And if you're lucky enough, if you are able to get this from any of the older collections from your relatives or friends and then repurpose it or refurbish it, then that's the best thing you can do for this option. This can cost about 1 lakh and more. So our next option is the solid wood headboard, this can definitely be made with machinery. You need to usually rubber wood or pine wood is used to make such carvings. This can also be handcrafted and it will be about 2 inches in thickness. It can cost about 50,000 and more based on the design. Our next option is the tactile handcrafted headboard. This is basically a marble piece, which a standalone marble piece which will be scooped out to create different patterns. So once you scoop out, it can also be done on wood, but the vibrancy and the simplicity will be more highlighted when you do it with marble. So you scoop out the patterns, and this is similar to your block printing technology, your block printing creations, where you scoop out the patterns and then you highlight the other areas to lift up the pattern. This can come anywhere between 20 to 40 mm thickness, and it can cost about 1.5 lakh to 2 lakh and above based on the design that you choose, design and size that you choose. So our next option is the Moroccan Jali headboard. Basically, these Moroccan patterns are inspired from Arabic culture, and these patterns have been widely used in jalis, and this is the same continuation where Moroccan jali pattern can be used for your headboards. This can be done in MDF or acrylic using CNC cutting, or you can also have handcrafted wood partitions used as your backdrop behind. This can cost about 1,200 per square feet. So our next option is the wire ornamented headboard. Basically, here you have either a filigree created using wood, a basic design created using wood and then wire wrapped around it, or the entire thing done in metal and then wire wrapped around it. So this can also cost about 50,000 and more based on the design, and it can come in about 1 to 2 inches thickness. The next is a very beautiful example. It's one of my favorites, which is a motif headboard. So it's basically repetitive patterns of motifs that have been created using embossing technology. This can be done on wood or metal. So on wood you can do it using CNC routing. On metal it's generally handcrafted, so the intricacies are so beautiful and the details are so rich looking that these bedrooms will not need anything else once these headboards come to create the design element. So these can be achieved with 4 to 6 inches thicknesses, and they will cost about 3,500 per square feet. You can give any kind of finish, like there have been blues used, or you can have silver metal finish, golden metal finish. Based on the design and the color combination for your room, you can choose what overlay color you would like. So our last example is the Jali panel headboard. So here a combination of CNC cut metal jalis and mirror can be used along with plain panels. So you basically have a mirror panel over which you have your Jali panel installed to give it a more dramatic look and then make it look more royal and contemporary also at the same time. So this can cost about 2,000 to 1,200 per square feet, and it can come in about 4 to 20 mm thickness based on whether you choose MDF or steel for this. So yeah guys, these were all our headboards, and I hope this detailed explanation will give you all the details you would want to. So yeah guys, these were all our headboard examples. I hope this detailed explanation will help you choose a headboard easily now, and in case you're not able to outsource it, I hope my tips will definitely help you create a DIY headboard for yourself. In case you have any doubts about the contents, please do drop it in the comment section and we will definitely get back to you. And if you've liked the video, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video and share it. Thanks a lot.